In this video, we bring to you an amazing shipping container home in New South Wales, Australia. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern container home. Welcome back. If you want to learn more on shipping container living, kindly subscribe. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get started. This amazing property is located in the country village of Numeralla in New South Wales, Australia. Built using repurposed shipping containers with modern finishes, the home sits within a well-established garden and a fenced yard with two good-sized timber decks that take in the vista over the Numeralla Valley towards the river and the rolling hills. This is a stunning 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom family home built using 3 shipping containers. It comprises of 2 20-footers and 1 40-foot container. The containers are placed parallel to each other, side by side, to create over 640 square feet of habitable space. The house is raised off the ground on a steel pier foundation, which ensures that the construction impact on the site is minimal and the soil beneath can aerate and absorb rainwater. The container cargo doors were removed and the resultant spaces fitted with full-height glazing for maximum daylighting. An additional lean-to roof was built with a steel frame on top of the containers to keep the interior spaces cool from the hot tropical climate and to also protect the containers from the elements. The attic space above the shipping containers is framed out and covered with corrugated steel siding for a waterproof finish. The additional roof above the containers also encloses a big deck to form the entrance porch. A small staircase connecting to the deck anchors the building onto the ground as the main access to the large outdoor deck at the main entrance to the house. Apart from the impressive exterior, the house is of highest quality even on the inside. The big glass front door welcomes you to a well-lit open-plan living space. The door ushers you into a fully fitted contemporary kitchen which has full-size stainless steel appliances and under-the-counter storage with open shelving. The kitchen backsplash is finished in a stylish textured tile with a big glass window that floods the space with natural light and helping to frame out a beautiful view of the surrounding lush greenery. Next to the kitchen is a cozy dining area that complements the living space with an amazing view overlooking the beautiful outdoors. Past the dining area is a sun-filled living room with a comfortable handcrafted sitting area, a nice place to sit and socialize. The space is fitted with big sliding glass doors for better ventilation and lighting to increase the perceived space inside the shipping container house. The floor is finished with plywood flooring, which gives the rooms a sleek, modern look. The bathroom is equipped with modern fixtures, a glass shower cubicle, a toilet, modern wash hand basin, enough storage cabinets and open shelving, plus a laundry machine. The home has a library, The house has a library and a home office which sports open shelving for books, documents and small pieces of art mounted on the wall. The office space is framed and fitted with plywood walls which add visual warmth to the interior. The first bedroom has a comfortable bed with patterned beddings to add some pop of color to the space. The second bedroom has been beautifully decorated and it features a cozy double bed with beddings and pillows for a good night's sleep. The third bedroom has a cozy bed and open-air shelving for maximum storage space. All the walls are painted white to make the spaces appear more prominent and look brighter to eliminate any feel of confinement. The container's metal siding remains as the ceiling inside the house to celebrate the industrial charm of the building. The big glass to open up the house and blend the lines between the indoors and the outdoors, perfect for sunny afternoons and warm evenings. From outside, this contemporary container house celebrates the industrial aesthetic of shipping containers. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior to celebrate the industrial language of the design. The big outdoor decks complements the outdoor kitchen, ideal for entertaining guests and for enjoying the breathtaking attractions and the rolling rural scenery. The deck is sheltered from the prevailing winds by design whilst providing unobstructed views of the surrounding. The well-landscaped outdoors with a pond adds beauty to the yard and softens the industrial aesthetics of the building. We love everything about this amazing container home. Which part of this building appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video as usual, give it a If you like this video as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more of our weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.